This tutorial video is designed to help you do a couple different things with the Notes app on your iPad. The first is going to be to create a new note. The second is to access the drawing tools. And the third is to share whatever note you create. So obviously first we need to start by going into the Notes app. So you can go ahead and tap that. Once you're into the Notes app, you're going to go to the top right hand corner and tap the create a new note icon. It looks like a little piece of paper with a pencil. So go ahead and do that. Now I like to have my notes fill the entire screen, so right above the cursor you can see those two arrows. If you tap that, it'll expand the note to fill the entire screen. Now there's a couple different ways to access the drawing tools. One would be on the keyboard. All the way on the right next to the camera icon is a squiggly little line. You could tap that, or if you get rid of the keyboard, on the bottom right hand corner next to, once again, the camera icon, you can see the squiggly little line icon. You can just tap that to open up the drawing tools. Once the drawing tools are open, you can see on the left hand side there are 5 different tools, and then there's actually a bunch of different colors you can cycle through to use as your drawing. So just to quickly demonstrate, you got your thin tipped marker, you've got your chisel tip marker, you have your pencil, you have the ruler, which I'll get into in a minute, and you also have, of course, your eraser. Now the ruler is actually probably the coolest tool in the bunch, because what the ruler allows you to do is actually make straight lines at whatever angle you would like. So if I want a perfectly straight line going horizontally across the screen, I can choose the chisel tip marker. Let's say I want to make it blue, and as long as I follow the ruler, it actually makes a perfectly straight line. Pretty useful tool. Now when you're done with your note, you just go to the top right hand corner, tap the share icon, which is the square with the up arrow, and that gives you the options to do a variety of things. Save it to your drive, email it, print it if you wanted to, but we're going to actually save the image to our camera roll. Once it's saved to your